Hi Pascal, we're going to do a video on what I need you to do. I'm sending you these two drives. They're labeled with the name so they're easy to identify. I've confirmed that both of them are using an Optiplex 780, so the machine, what I'm going to show you, should be very similar. Alright, so get the monitor off the top of the computer, get it out here in the open, make sure the power is off. It doesn't necessarily even need to be unplugged. As long as the power is off. You're going to look for this lever, you're going to pull it, and when you pull it, the top comes open. Okay, you just want to set that out of the way and kind of remember you know, how you pulled it off, so when we go to put it back on, it's pretty simple. So you see these holes, you're basically just going to line them up with those three pegs. Alright, so this is what we need to do. This is the hard drive right here. It's going to look very similar to this. You've got these two blue tabs. You're going to pull those in and then just slightly pull up. It's very easy to pull up. Once you get that released, there's some wiring underneath here, and you're just going to want to kind of roll it over so that you can work. The object of what you're trying to do here is you want to get this blue wire and the power connector untangled. Now I've already done this on this one, but you can see it should loop through here and through here. Just get that off. You don't necessarily want to unplug this because we're going to leave the hard drive in here actually. So it's very hard to do while I'm holding the phone. But anyway, pull on the blue tab, pull this one off, okay, and get this one out of the way. Alright, so see, now I've got these two wires kind of pulled back. Alright, now I want to put this drive back in, pulling the two tabs, and well, it's already locked in place, so good job. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to work on Petra's first. We're going to grab this drive, and here's the connections. Pretty much there's no wrong way to hook this up. You're just going to need to okay, so we're going to plug the drive up. Pretty much there's a little L on the connector. Just want to line it up on the drive. There again, you're looking for that little L shape. Line it up, plug it in. Okay, and then you're going to want to tuck the wires right in between here and that little blue tab. And we're just going to set the drive right on top. It's not really a need, but if you want to find some tape just to kind of stick it there so it doesn't roll around, then we're going to replace the lid. And like I was saying before, you just want to line those tabs up here. Press firmly, you put the monitor back on. Make sure all the connections are hooked back up. Turn it on, and it's loading into Windows, and we're done.